Hey folks, welcome to Product Critique. Glad you're tuning in one more time. I appreciate you. Do me a favor. If you get a second, like right now, hit that subscribe button. Leave a sister a comment. Let's dive in. Today's video is about something really tiny, really small, but it's very, very good. It's awesome, and we all need one. And guess what that is, folks? Can you see it? I'm bringing it up closer. This is an external remote. Right now, I am using it to record, to speak to you. It is amazing. I'm holding it in my hand. You can't even see it. And when I stop the video and stop recording, you won't see that either. Folks, this is amazing. And let me just tell you, I don't have it in my hand right now, and I should have, but it comes with a USB. So on the end of it, the mic part, not the mic part, but yeah, I guess the mic part is kind of like on this end. You see that? But you on the other part, you would put your USB right there, folks, to plug it up like you would charge your phone, like you would charge any other device. It is so easy to use. It is so lightweight. And let me tell you something. It's been a game changer for me. Folks, look, check this out. I'll put the link in the description. But if you want to check out a remote and you see the green light is on because I'm using it as we speak, folks, this is a game changer. No joke. It is a game changer for me. And let me tell you something. It's good to have extras around, extra remotes. It is amazing. I have this right now. It is paired to my phone. It's paired to anything that I use that I'm going to record, whether it's my iPad or my phone. Folks, it is amazing. It is, as you can see, I wish you could hold it. I really do wish you could hold it. It's very lightweight, very lightweight. And how you know it's fully charged, you would always see that green light. Also, it allows you to take pictures, and I don't know if you can see this right here, but that's a picture of a camera. So it is charged to paired with my phone, as I said earlier. And if I click that, it'll simply do a picture for me. It is amazing, folks. So I really want you to check it out. Again, this is something that I use every day. I'm currently using right now as I'm recording with you. Purely cost effective. You want more information about it, click the link in the description, and I'm going to tell you, it's amazing. It's a game changer. Well, having said that, if you found value in this video, folks, hit the subscribe button, leave a girl a comment, and I will see you soon on the next video. Remember, it's amazing. The video's finna click off now, and all I'm going to do, folks, is go whoop